Beginning mileage 3997. Beginning temperature 18.5. 18.5. Pretty fucking windy. Partly cloudy. Stars are out here and there. Saturday morning, my Monday. Well, we'll try and stay out of the ice this morning. Woo! It's gonna be a shitty fucking ride over the bridge. That wind is kicking. Sucks. Got the bike about a 30-degree angle. Oh fuck, now it's coming from the other side. Now it's coming straight ahead. Slowing down, yo. Come on, get down further. There we go. Now we got building protection. So another successful crossing of the evil bridge and over the trolls. And that was the NT8 that just trapped over your bridge, troll. What a way to start the morning, yo. And all at a lovely temperature of 19 degrees. Fahrenheit. Woo! Yeah, now I got the wind from the left, which is the north. Hey. So now just to test my skills, can I ride it? Can I ride the bike with a 30-degree less to the port? Well, the jacket's getting cold. It's beginning to press against my arms and I don't have a sweater on. It's not completely uncomfortable, but I know it's there now. Only in the biceps. Mileage 4006.